Semantic behavior, or Weld symbols, was enhanced with the latest release of Creo Parametric 8.0. Now, all of the weld definition references, as well as the references of the resulting weld geometry, are propagated to the weld symbols. When selecting or querying any type of weld symbols, you will notice that the relevant surfaces will become highlighted on the screen. Weld symbol semantic references are actually managed by the weld feature. So whenever I will update the weld definition, the changes to the semantic references will be propagated to the welding symbol accordingly.